Good afternoon, Miss. Now we are going to do our test. My name is Nick Sandrio Gozal,
My name is Jason.
and now we are going to tell you about part 1, interview,
Part 2 long term,
and part 3, discussion.
and the last is general conversation.
Part 1, interview.
Tell us at least 4 skills that are important for the success of your study and why.
For me, the 4 most important skill for success in my study are time management, critical thinking, communication, and self-discipline. Time management help me balance my study schedule with other activities, making sure I complete assignment on time. Critical thinking is more important for analyzing problems and for the coming up solution. Communication is key because during group projects I need to express my ideas clearly, and lastly, self-discipline keeps me on track, especially when there are distraction. And you, what types of social media are you using, and what benefits can you get from them?
I mainly use Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Instagram helps me stay focused, in touch with friends, and stay updated on friends. LinkedIn is really beneficial for building my professional network and looking for internship. WhatsApp is essential for communicating with friends, family, and classmates, especially for sharing study materials. Each of these platforms plays a role in either personal and professional of my life.
Part 2, describing photo. Me, I choose photo number 3. In this photo, I can see a group of people sitting around a table in a meeting room. They are having a discussions, and it looks like the men standing are leading the conversation. He is pointing towards something, perhaps explaining an idea for the rest of the team. The participants are all focused, and some are taking notes on their laptops, which suggests that this is a business or work-related meeting. The atmosphere seems collaborative as everyone is attentive and actively participating. This photo represents the importance of teamwork and effective communication in achieving shared goals in a professional setting.
Part 2, describing photo. I choose photo number 4. In this photo, there are 3 men sitting together. It seems like they are having fun, informal conversation. They appear to be relaxed, with one of them holding a cup. The setting looks like it could be indoors, maybe in community hall of brick area. The men are of different backgrounds, which suggests a diverse group coming together. Their body language shows that they are engaged in a meaningful discussion, possibly sharing stories or changing idea. The image highlight the value of open dialogue and connecting with others, even is a casual setting. Part 3, discussion. We are discuss about self-graph of iPhone vs Galaxy.
Okay, Jason, let's talk about this graph comparing iPhone and Galaxy sales from Q3 2010 to Q4 2012. From what I see, Galaxy sales really started to catch up from the end of 2011 onwards. What do you think could have caused that jump?
Yeah, I noticed that too. If you look at Q3 of 2011, Galaxy sales technically increased and they keep going up afterward. I think one reason could be the broader range of models that Samsung introduced. They were likely offering more affordable options compared to the iPhone, which helped attract more customers.
That's a good point. Samsung was probably targeting a wider market with different price points, while iPhone was more premium and expensive. It's interesting to see that by the last quarter in 2012, Galaxy sales even surpassed iPhone sales. I think their marketing strategy must have played a role here as well.
I agree. Samsung did a lot of aggressive marketing, especially focusing on Android features that weren't available on iPhone at that time, like customizing and more diverse hardware features, and definitely helped them gain market share.
Absolutely. Another thing I noticed is that while iPhone sales were relatively steady, Galaxy sales kept rising quarter by quarter, especially during 2012. I think Samsung also benefit from partnering with mobile carriers and offering promotional deals, which made their phones more accessible.
Right, and I also think the innovation that Samsung brought to their device helped. For example, that starting focusing on larger screen size earlier, which seems to be a trend people like. And the fact that they were competing directly with Apple's latest release gave customers a real choice.
Yeah, and we can clearly see the impact in the last quarter of 2012, where Galaxy outperformed the iPhone in terms of units sold. It seems like a combination of price range, marketing, and innovative features that really help Samsung compete with Apple.
Definitely, this graph really shows how intense the competition between the two brands was during that period and how both had a different but effective strategies to capture the audience.
Part 4. General Conversation.
What do you think friends are for?
I think friends are really important for emotional support. When I'm feeling down or stressed, talking to my friends makes me feel better. They are also there to celebrate my achievements, which make the good moments even better.
Yeah, I totally agree. Friends help us feel connected, and they also give us honest feedback when we need it. For me, friends are like second family. They were always there to lift me up or give me advice.
Exactly. I also think friends help us grow as individuals, and we learn a lot from each other expressions. And they encourage us to try new things, whether it's for fun, support, or growth. Friends are really a vital part of life.
Definitely, and it's not just about having fun. Real friends, they are for you in tough times. The true it is that what makes this relationship so valuable.
Thank you, Miss Manik, for the intentions and also for listening our test. Me and Jason, we have to say goodbye. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.